Hello and welcome to everybody. So in the previous video we have seen about the ribbon interface of the Excel. So now in this video we will see what is the sheet and how we can organize this sheet. So here by default sheet 1 has been written at here. So if you want to rename it, you can right click on it and go to the rename, and you can use, let's say, work book 1 and press the enter to rename it. So you can rename the sheet of this Excel file. If you want to create a new sheet, you can just click on new sheet icon or plus icon. So by doing this, Excel will be create a new sheet for you, and you can also give the reference of this sheet to this sheet for the purpose of calculation and so on. That all that thing we will see into the further videos as we will proceed further for the course. If you want to copy this sheet with content, you can also do the copy. You can right click on it, and here there is an option of move or copy. So if I will be click on move or copy, and here there is an option of create a copy. So by turning on this option and move to the end and click on OK. So as you can see, workbook 1, 2 has been created, which is exactly same copy of this sheet with all the content has been also written. Obviously you can also right click and rename it, and you can rename as per your requirement. Let's say one number. You can also right click and delete it. It will be asked Microsoft Excel will permanently delete this sheet. You can simply click on delete. You can also right click here, delete it. And here there is an option of scrolling. So we can do the scroll to the left, scroll to the up and down. So here left and right. And you can also go to the arrow to move further for the next number of rows as well as next number of columns. You can also do the zoom in zoom out of the entire sheet by clicking on this minus icon or plus icon. By default we will keep 100%. You can also change the view presentation like normal or page layout or page breakup and so on. What is the difference between all these three view presentation that we will see later on.